biscuits. I just popped over here from Patreon where I'm filming a laundry with me video, and I thought I'd chat and gossip a bit with you. Do a little quick wardrobe change. I am just getting all the laundry sorted, which is a time-consuming thing, as y'all know. Laundry is one of those things that, I don't know. Is there more laundry in the winter than summer? I feel like yes. I think there's more laundry in winter and spring when it's muddy and wet than other times in the year. But there's always tons of laundry. There's never a time where I go, oh, no laundry for me. How is your homemaking kicking off for this first couple weeks of the new year? I cannot believe it's 22 already. I keep thinking it's 2021, but it's 2022, which doesn't even sound like a real year. It sounds like a fake year made to make us think we've all gone crazy. But I'm hopeful that this is a creatively fulfilling year. That's something that I really root for, you know? Oh yeah, oh no, is this the last hanger? I got new hangers. Over on OF, I have a whole thing about them. If you want to sign up for really cool tutorial, I have the promo info over there for that fun project. But that has nothing to do with laundry on here. I get into all my laundry baskets. What do I? Oh, snow hats. You gotta know where your snow hats are at all times. What I like to do is hang these up with, and I don't have one right in front of me, but trouser hangers that have the clips, and then you can clip your snow hats or all your gloves together. I have all my sun hats hanging up in my coat closet that way. It is so easy peasy. I love that because, you know, I like to use the term lazy, but really that's not what I mean, is how to work smarter, not harder around your house and for all of your homemaking. And I think that a big thing of that is organizing when you tidy, because when I stay organized, it's so much easier. And I think that goes for so many aspects of life. Oh, these are such cozy socks. Is when you declutter. That's been something I have been going on a crazy declutter binge lately. I've made 2 runs now to the dump station, and I have just been getting rid of a ton. I can't believe how much stuff I was holding on to in my house that was just like trash or just needed to be thrown out. I've shocked myself about that because I like to think I really throw things out, and I wasn't. I was just holding on to things that made it so much harder to keep the house tidy because it was just too much garbage stuff to organize and to keep that all tidied. So I'm so glad I've done that. Oh no, biscuits. Oh no, this is the sock section of the day. A few things torment me, like trying to get socks matched. They just migrate all over the place. I don't understand where they go, where they're coming from. What's their goal? Driving us wild and deranged, I think. But yeah, tossing a bunch of stuff out has been super helpful for me to stay a little more organized. And I've been doing some deep cleaning around the house, and that's just been so good. I'm hoping by the end of January to have done just a complete and total clean out of the house and a real deep clean then. So like get all the junk out that needs to go and then just deep clean everything. I haven't quite gotten to the scrub the baseboards part, but you know, I'm cleaning the cabinets, I've been scrubbing the floors, all this stuff. I haven't been filming it all for you. I'm sorry, biscuits. But I will film and post something for next week for what I've been cleaning. I've had so much tidying going on. I was like, I don't even know how to turn this into a video. It'll just be me going, rampaging through the house going, this must be clean. My goodness. I think I'm gonna post a office clean on Patreon. I think I'm gonna film that probably tomorrow because the office needs a clean, and I thought, oh, it'll be fun to do it on there. So let me know, do you want to see a YouTube friendly office clean, or should I just keep that over on Patreon? I never know, you know, are you more interested in the work from home and homemaker balance life videos, or do you want just straight homemaker house cleaning videos with cleaning hacks? And I love to film both, so I've got no problem with your answer. There's no right or wrong answer. I'll just love to know. Oh my goodness, some of this stuff doesn't fit anymore. Oh, little monkeys grow too fast. It's offensive because you think they're tiny and itty bitty and adorable, and then they are not. Much like how offensive it is with the socks. I know I have both pairs because I've worn them mixed matched with other socks. I just can't get them clean at the same time to match these. Oh my goodness. Oh, my old merch shirt. Oh my goodness. Later this year I've got some really cool merch projects coming out. I can't tell yet. It's top secret. But total shift in the stuff. If you want any of my old merch, go to the link in the description box now. Those are going to be discontinued really soon, so I'm not going to be selling those anymore because I have a whole new shebang coming out, my biscuits. I love when I find a shirt that's been missing at the bottom of the hamper, and I think, how many times have I just poured new clean stuff from the dryer on top of that shirt, and that's why I never found it. I can't be the only one. These are so cozy. Oh, I love the Hannah Anderson women's shirts. They're such like a good thick material. You know, biscuits know I love to buy them on sale. Wow, okay. This shirt has been at the bottom of that pile for so long that I'm embarrassed to admit it. Yep. But at least I have the shirt now. It's here. It's here with me along with the missing sock. So progress, Piscotties, progress. If small steps, right? Oh my god, what even lives in here? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna be totally honest with you, biscuits. That's been in the hamper for like 5 weeks, I think. Clean hamper, but I think I just kept pouring more stuff before I got to the bottom, and I would fold like the top 2/3 of the hamper because it's a big hamper, and I just didn't. That's good though. Now I know where my clothes are, which is, you know, always good. Oh, honest homemaker life. I try not to make it seem like the house is together all the time because I know some influencers. I hate that term, but they're influencers. I am not an influencer, just for the record. I would say I create fun content. I'm not an influencer in any shape or form. But yeah, they always have like pristine houses. And I think, yeah, it's a family house. How I know that can't be that pristine. Like, either you obsessively stay up until 4 a.m. cleaning every day, or you've just like thrown out everybody's toys and color markers, and there's no forts everywhere in the corner of the house. I think, no, I'm suspicious. That's a real house. As thinks not. I just don't see how that's possible. Okay, I need to go hunt down some more hangers, biscuits. So I am going to sign off for now, but I always love to gossip with you, biscuits, while I'm doing the laundry, because I just think it makes laundry time so much fun when you and I can fold our laundry together and talk about how our days are going. Because, oh my god, are the days going fast. Wow, that can go too. Okay, more things people outgrow. Okay, would you rather gain 2 inches in height or lose 15 pounds of weight? What would be your preference? I think that's a fascinating question. Yes, I've been having this whole quiz time over on Patreon about, you know, kind of what are things that bring us coziness, what are things that bring us self-care, like what are our happy triggers, right, you know? And I think it's fascinating, what does that say about us? Which would you rather have, 2 taller inches or 15 pounds less in weight? Tell me in the comments. I'm very curious actually to hear. Okay, I will see you over on the main channel, and I'll see you on my Instagram between our videos. Love y'all. Hope you are having a beautiful start to the new year, and that your house is, if chaotic and deranged like mine, full of happiness.